So my tire got punctured by a sharp object. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to fix this. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is a tire strip for fixing tubeless tires, either an e-scooter, a motorcycle, a car, even for a car. So following these steps in this video can also be applied to a car, motorcycle, and the likes. So you try to insert the strip into the punctured area, moving it in this manner, in this method with the tool. So after inserting it, you pull it out, pull out the tool, and when you are gently pulling out the tool, the strip remains inside the tire, and that alone is enough to fix and get your tire on the road again. So this is me applying my sealant. So there's a video above that talks about this sealant, how I use it to hold the tire so that when I'm inflating it, the air doesn't escape through the rim or the tire. And it's a food in West Africa, in Nigeria precisely. So instead of me getting a sealant, I use this to act as a sealant for my tire. So I am trying to cover the part between the tire and the rim so that I'll be able to inflate it and air won't be able to escape out from the tire. So it could be really messy in a way, but at the end of this video, I'll show you how to get rid of it by cleaning it. So this is me inflating the tire. You can see the tire is increasing. It's coming up a bit. That's the PSI measure on the pump, showing that the tire is being inflated. But then I realized that there's another part I need to also put the strip on, which is in the video. That part is also leaking. So this is the other. There are two tools in the kit, one for drilling holes in the tire tool in case the holes is small, so to make the hole at least wider a bit, so you can use the other tool to insert the strip in the tire. So this is me inserting the strip in the tire with the other tool. For me, the easier method is twisting it while inserting it. Then you cut. Then once you are done, cut the parts bulging out of the tire. Then you are done fixing the tire. Just double checking to feel that there's no air coming out from that part. We're good to go. There's no air coming out. It's inflating and it's fine. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And after that, I'm done and I'm cleaning the mess I made on the tire already. Thanks for watching.